In the room tour, we'll be going over some key items and locations, as well as some things to know about lab. Our first item is our first aid kit. Here we have our eye wash station and safety shower. Our fume hoods. Here is the fire extinguisher. Located on the wall is general information you may find necessary, especially in cases of emergency. For example, our emergency exit route. Here is the fire extinguisher. The fire alarm. Your emergency exit route will have you follow down these stairs and leave the building. Now I'll demonstrate how to properly disinfect your table. You'll start by getting some paper towels and the disinfectant, MetroGuard. You will spray the table and ensure every area is wet. Do not attempt to dry the table fully. Once you have fully disinfected your table, you should follow this up by washing your hands. This completes the laboratory contract overview as well as the room tour.